How can you invest in real estate with crowdfunding? Do you want to become a real estate investor with as little as $5,000 in your pocket? The real estate crowdfunding is for you. Crowdfunding has become an increasingly popular way to finance all sorts of projects in recent years, from small businesses to startups to major films. And more people are now using crowdfunding to finance their real estate investments. But what exactly is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is the process of raising money from a large number of people. Investment crowdfunding in particular is when people pool their money together to invest in a project or business. Real estate crowdfunding is a type of investment crowdfunding that allows people to invest in property projects. This can involve investing in anything, from the construction of new developments to the refurbishment of existing properties. Crowdfunding platforms work by connecting people who want to invest in a project with people who are looking for investments. Projects will typically have a target amount that they are looking to raise, and investors can choose to pledge any amount of money towards that target. If the project reaches its target amount, the money is then transferred to the project owner and the project goes ahead. If the project does not reach its target, the money is returned to the investors. There are a number of benefits that can make crowdfunding an attractive option for real estate investors. First of all, it gives investors access to a wider range of projects. This is because traditional methods of funding such as bank loans are often not available to small or medium-sized projects. 2. Moreover, it lowers the barriers to entry for investors. With traditional methods of financing, such as bank loans, investors often need to have a large amount of money saved up in order to qualify for the loan. 3. Crowdfunding also offers investors higher returns than other methods of investing. This is because crowdfunding platforms often offer rewards to investors, such as percentage of the profits from the project, in addition to any return on the initial investments. Like any investment, there are risks involved with crowdfunding. Here are some of the key risks to be aware of. 1. One of the key risks of crowdfunding is that it is an illiquid investment. This means that once you have invested in a project, you will not be able to sell your investment until the project is completed and the property is sold. 2. Another risk to be aware of is the risk of fraud. There have been a number of high-profile cases of fraud in the crowdfunding industry, so it is important to be vigilant. Make sure that you do your research before investing in any project and only invest in projects that you are confident in. 3. Another risk to be aware of is that projects can often be delayed, which can impact your return on investment. This is something that you need to be aware of before investing, as it is not always possible to predict when a project will be delayed. 4. As with any investment, there is always a risk that you will lose money. This is something that you need to be prepared before investing. Make sure that you only invest money that you can afford to lose and that you diversify your investments so that you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. How to get started with crowdfunding? If you are interested in crowdfunding your real estate investment, there are a few things that you need to do in order to get started. 1. Choose a reliable platform. The first thing that you need to do is choose a crowdfunding platform to invest through. There are a number of different platforms to choose from, so make sure that you do your research before selecting one. 2. Research projects. Once you have selected a platform, you then need to start researching projects to invest in. Make sure that you do your due diligence before investing and only invest in projects that you are confident in. 3. Make your investments. Once you have found a project that you want to invest in, you can then make your investment through the crowdfunding platform. 4. Monitor your investment. Once you have made your investment, you would then need to monitor it to make sure that the project is on track. This is important to do as it will give you an early warning if there are any delays or problems with the project. If you are looking forward to receiving expert guidance throughout your journey with crowdfunded real estate projects, Exodus Capital is your go-to platform. We offer a monthly subscription for only $49.99 per month, where you can access premium knowledge and guidance from investors and industry experts in the form of videos. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.